The Stoic thinker Seneca observed, "Life isn't short, we just waste a lot of it. Time is precious and slips away like a river rushing by." We often hear that time is an irreplaceable resource we can't get back. Inspired by this classic wisdom, today we're going to interpret it from a Stoic angle. We'll introduce 6 Stoic techniques that can launch you ahead of nearly everyone else, guaranteeing that you don't just exist, but actually prosper in your life. Before we start, I'd be grateful if you could like this video. Your support helps me share more about Stoic philosophy. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, I suggest doing so and ringing the bell to ensure you don't miss any future videos. 1. Embracing a cosmic view. Imagine a scene where you're transported back in time by thousands of years. You're on top of a towering mountain, surrounded by the peaceful beauty of the night sky, and in the presence of a great Stoic philosopher. As you discuss life's challenges under the twinkling stars, including modern-day stresses like social media and the fast pace of life, your Stoic companion points out to the immense universe, reminding you that in the cosmic scale, our lives are just brief moments. The role of this universal perspective in outperforming 98% of people is significant and deeply rooted in Stoicism. It's about fostering the appropriate mindset, while the majority are entangled in their daily lives, overstressing each failure and focusing too much on criticism. Stoics follow a different approach. They take a step back to absorb the universe's magnificence, achieving a level of mental clarity not common in most. To see how this cosmic perspective works in real life, think of a specific instance from your life. Maybe a time when a coworker got a promotion you thought you deserved, or a casual remark from someone spoiled your day. These situations can overwhelm your thoughts and feelings, leading to envy, bitterness, or upset. However, viewing these through a cosmic lens asks, will this matter in the long run? Usually, it doesn't. This approach isn't trivializing real challenges, but helps in making discerning choices, focusing on what's essential and giving you an edge over others who don't see the bigger picture. Invest your energy in actions that matter. With the clarity gained from the cosmic perspective, you can tackle life's challenges with a focused and meaningful approach, standing out in a crowd. Make this Stoic practice of cosmic reflection a daily habit. Spend a few moments each morning contemplating the grand scale of life. In tough moments or decisions, pause to reflect on the universe's expanse. This grounding fosters a unique clarity and peace, shaping your actions and decisions. 2. Utilizing negative visualization. Imagine a scene in an old-world marketplace, teeming with people, colorful market stalls, and a blend of sounds. In this energetic atmosphere, a Stoic philosopher engages a crowd with an unusual message. Rather than picturing endless happiness and success, he advises considering potential struggles and failures. He believes this habit is vital for achieving a fulfilling and resilient existence. Rather than picturing endless happiness and success, he advises considering potential struggles and failures. He believes this habit is vital for achieving a fulfilling and resilient existence. Negative visualization, though it appears to go against the grain of our positive thinking-focused society that emphasizes only aiming for our dreams, holds a unique potential according to Stoicism. It might be the secret to getting ahead of 98% of people. The majority live in constant dread of the unknown and unexpected, often taken aback by life's sudden twists because they haven't mentally rehearsed for such eventualities. This leaves them vulnerable and often helpless in the face of adversity. Think about constructing a mental fortress. If you're an entrepreneur, instead of being shocked by unexpected obstacles, you've already planned your response. While others dream of profit, you think about possible difficulties like product failures or market crashes. This isn't to cause worry, but to encourage proactive planning, such as diversifying your portfolio or establishing a financial safety net. When business inevitably faces ups and downs, you're more than just surviving, you're prospering. This increased gratitude awareness not only enhances your mental well-being, but also drives you to make the most of your existing resources, placing you ahead of those who may not share this mindset. As Seneca put it, he suffers more than necessary who suffers before it is necessary. Negative visualization equips you with the mental dexterity to tackle any life challenge. This isn't about creating negative outcomes, but about cultivating resilience. While the majority may fear or avoid possible setbacks, you're actively getting ready and fortifying yourself. The result is a significant advancement in the complex game of life, giving you a clear edge over those who aren't ready for life's certain challenges. 3. Accepting intentional discomfort. Imagine a peaceful courtyard under ancient olive trees with a soft Mediterranean breeze. Here, a group listens to a Stoic philosopher who is purposefully dressed in rough clothes and sitting on the hard ground instead of a comfortable bench. His point is clear: true growth comes from embracing discomfort. This Stoic habit of willingly facing difficulties might seem odd in our modern comfort-centric world, but it's this very contrast that makes it a potent strategy to surpass most people. Understanding this Stoic practice involves examining fundamental growth principles. Progress, whether in physical conditioning, mastering a skill, or enhancing mental resilience, often springs from stepping beyond comfort limits. For example, in athletics, while regular training suffices for some, the truly exceptional athletes adopt more demanding workouts. They push themselves to extremes, training in extreme conditions or when exhausted. What's notable is that these athletes don't just survive intentional discomfort, they thrive on it. Additionally, practicing intentional discomfort can shift your baseline for happiness. Practices like occasional fasting teach you to find deep joy in simple pleasures like a basic meal, echoing Seneca's wisdom. It is in times of security that the spirit should be preparing itself for difficult times. Integrating this Stoic practice into your routine can be life-changing. It might involve taking cold showers, fasting periodically, or intentionally facing tough situations in line with your goals. In a society that often chases ease, deliberately choosing discomfort not only cultivates resilience, but also makes you stand out. While many instinctively avoid challenges, you actively seek them, understanding they're ripe with chances for growth and distinction. 4. Mastering the dichotomy of control. Picture being in a peaceful garden, surrounded by fragrant flowers and the soft sound of flowing streams. Here, a group gathers, captivated by the teachings of a wise Stoic philosopher. He elucidates a vital yet simple principle: the separation of things we can control from those we cannot. He insists that understanding and accepting this difference is key to achieving freedom and success. Stoicism's principle of the dichotomy of control is profoundly applicable in the modern world. Numerous individuals focus too much on uncontrollable elements such as societal views, market instability, world affairs, or the weather's unpredictability. This misplaced focus leads to stress, anxiety, and diverts their attention from areas where they can make a real difference. Their efforts become scattered, reducing their effectiveness and clarity. Reflect on how ancient Stoic wisdom applies in today's career world. Imagine Anna, a young professional. She's presenting a transformative project to her company's board, a project with the potential to greatly influence the organization's future. Anna, steeped in Stoic teachings, clearly understands the critical difference between what is within her control and what is unfortunately out of her reach. Although Anna can't determine the board's final verdict, She takes complete responsibility for her preparation and how she presents. She carefully assesses what she can influence and directs her energy there, steadfast and determined. Importantly, she recognizes but doesn't let herself be emotionally or mentally affected by factors beyond her control. Mastering this Stoic concept provides Anna with a substantial advantage. Unlike many who get caught up in external issues and waste energy on uncontrollable factors, she maintains her focus and efficiency. This Stoic approach is about active participation in shaping one's fate, not just passive acceptance. By understanding what can and cannot be altered, Anna acts with precision and insight, which places her far ahead of others. Her clear vision and concentrated effort make her a guiding light in a world full of uncertainties, helping her navigate life's challenges with resilience and dignity. 5. Progressing via journaling. In our modern, distraction-filled world, journaling may appear simple or unimportant, yet, when done with purpose, it can put you significantly ahead of most. Stoics, known for their deep understanding of life, emphasized the importance of regular self-reflection, a practice gaining renewed attention today. In our fast-paced, tech-saturated environment, people often operate on autopilot, reacting rather than actively directing their life's path. Here, the Stoic habit of journaling becomes crucial, offering a chance for deliberate thought and personal growth. Journaling, at its essence, is a peaceful refuge in today's hectic world. It offers a space for deep thought, a quiet place for reflecting and recording personal insights. Stoics like Alexander recognized its profound impact. By looking inward, they began a journey of self-exploration. Journaling enables a detailed examination of one's inner self, distinguishing true desires from societal or personal pressures. Take Alexander, a contemporary Stoic, who uses journaling to guide his career. He commits to self-reflection, documenting his thoughts and experiences, which leads to discovering his true values, aspirations, and sources of fulfillment. Each journal entry Alexander makes is a step towards portraying his true self, complete with all its complexities. This practice leads to a profound personal transformation. Guided by insights from journaling, he makes career choices that better reflect his values, pursuing opportunities that echo his genuine self. This shift illuminates his path with purpose and passion. His transformation extends beyond career. Journaling helps him build a life that's more fulfilling, rich, and aligned with his ambitions. Unlike the 98% who lack this introspection, Alexander's life is proactive and satisfying, while others might feel lost in unfulfilling careers or shallow relationships. Journaling and self-reflection offer the ability to shape your future, as seen in Alexander's journey. By gaining deep self-awareness, take control of your future, charting a path that is exclusively yours, rich in fulfillment and success. Journaling acts as a tool in a world that often tries to control our pace, enabling you to find your own beat and lead your life with intention and grace. 6. Choose internal happiness over external praise. Picture entering a calm and wise Stoic classroom where students are keen to learn from their esteemed Stoic teacher. This teacher introduces an idea that seems straightforward, but is incredibly impactful for achieving true success and peace, finding happiness within oneself. In a society obsessed with chasing after external recognition and status symbols, this Stoic mentor shares a fundamental Stoic belief. He explains that real wealth and success come from within, not from outside praise. Stoicism has always highlighted building inner strengths rather than seeking external gains. You might be wondering how embracing inner happiness can put you ahead of the vast majority who focus on external achievements for validation. Usually, people define success by sales, promotions, or material gains. Consider the example of Sarah to understand this Stoic idea. Sarah excels in her competitive career, often judged by high sales goals. Yet, she follows Stoic wisdom about finding happiness within. Sarah values important metrics like sales, but she doesn't base her entire self-esteem on these figures. She finds deep joy in the process of creating and sharing her own ideas with the world. For Sarah, real success isn't just about the numbers in financial statements. It's about the true essence of her work. Her projects are a reflection of her genuine purpose and enthusiasm. She's not fixated on external accolades, but on the joy from doing work that echoes her principles and touches her deeply. Sarah's method is a shining example in a society often fixated on comparing and seeking approval from others. Her genuine fulfillment naturally attracts new opportunities and builds real connections. The sincerity in her work is evident, appealing to those who value the honesty in her creations. Seneca once said, "True happiness is to enjoy the present without anxious dependence." This statement sums up the Stoic view on finding joy within oneself. By enhancing her life's quality and seeking inner satisfaction, Sarah achieves a distinct advantage in a world filled with people chasing outward recognition. Her firm belief in her inner contentment sets Sarah apart. This reminds us of a Stoic philosophy lesson. Real advancement isn't just about external achievements, but mastering our thoughts, feelings, and actions. This reminds us of a Stoic philosophy lesson. Real advancement isn't just about external achievements, but mastering our thoughts, feelings, and actions. I'm interested in hearing which Stoic practices resonate with you the most. Thanks for joining this journey of enlightenment. Until our next philosophical exploration, may you walk the less traveled Stoic path.